Oh, Dragon Knight. I can catch Dragon Knight right now. Hey, watch where he's stepping on. Now he's gone. Are you guys playing Pokemon Go too? Okay then, stop following me. Oh look, Pikachu, he's over here. Hi YouTube kids, today we're filming the Great Race number 3. Look at my Pokeball.
That's cool, Tiger. Pokemon ball. That's cool.
Yeah, I like Pokeball too.
That's cool. So we filmed the Great Race number 3, huh?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at the engines. They're all ready to go.
Yeah.
So the object of the game is the first engine that can reach to the top will win. Right, Tiger?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
So it's just 2 tracks.
So who go first, Tiger?
I think I want to go for James and Thomas.
And Thomas? It's cool, Tiger. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready set up.
You ready? You set up? Cool. Who's this?
James,
James. And who's that?
Thomas.
Okay, are they ready to go? Okay, here we go. Count down, Tiger. Okay, go ahead, count down.
Are you ready, Thomas? Are you ready, James? Okay, are you guys ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Oh,
Let's go.
who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh, Thomas won and James second. Oh, cool.
Let's watch it in slow motion. Oh, look at Thomas doing wheelies. Can we go down there?
Okay, you go down and get him, Tiger. All right, who's next? Okay, Thomas against who now?
Another Thomas. I want Thomas and Percy.
Okay, let's get Percy. Okay, kids, we put the engine under the track so it helps support the track. And Percy and Thomas, are you ready?
Yeah.
Tiger, count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go.
There they go. Let's see who's gonna win. Oh, Percy's is ahead. Here we go. Who's gonna be the winner?
Oh, Thomas.
Percy wins. Thomas stuck. So Percy is the new winner.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, guys, this is the last race. Whoever wins this race is the winner. So we have Victor against Percy, the last winner.
And a remote control too.
And a remote control for Victor. Are you ready, Tiger?
Yeah.
There's Biggie. Hi, Biggie.
Oh, look at your car.
Yeah, okay, here we go. Countdown, Tiger.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, do. Oh yeah.
Here you go.
I just snapped it.
Percy's going fast.
Oh man.
Percy is the winner.
Percy the winner.
Cool, Tiger.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Looking back.
Oh, let's listen.
That's loud.
Oh, wow, that's cool, Tiger.
Now we're filming Thomas and James going down the hill now.
Downhill? That's cool, Tiger.
Okay.
Let's see who's gonna be the winner.
Okay.
Ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow, that was quick. Oh, cool, Tiger. Let's see who's gonna win. James the winner. Thomas second. That's cool, Tiger. That was awesome.
Yeah.
That was cool. Who won?
James.
James. Let's look at James. Let's look at James again. That's cool, James. James the winner.
Yeah, look. Let's listen to talking James.
That's cool.
That's loud too.
Yeah, that is loud.
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, TigerBox TV, and I say next time, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Pokeball. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, Percy. Bye-bye.
What's up guys? If you like this video and like to see more video, please subscribe and like please. Thank you.